Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have ex-ambassadors here with a song called Fallout, a great guitar song. And yeah, you don't need any cable for this one, so it's just to grab a guitar and start playing. First, we need to learn the chords, so that's what we're gonna do. We have 6 different chords here, and no, actually five chords, of course. So yeah, let's start with the chords. We have D minor first, so that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. The A sharp here, it's this version of it, so you play a bar here on the first fret. You don't have to bar the last E string, so just the 5 strings below there, and then you need to add third on D and third on G. We will move on here with another bar chord, bar on the same spot there, first fret over all strings, and this is the starting point of the F. So you have the bar there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We'll move on with a third bar chord. You take the same grip almost and move it 2 frets towards you. You land with the index finger here, the bar finger on the 3rd fret. You bar all strings there. And then you need to add 5th on A and 5th on D. And there you have your G minor. And then finally we have the C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so let's learn the strumming pattern together. It's a very common one. So if you grab the D minor, that's the first chord. You have down, down, up, down, up. Okay? So that's it. So the first down, try to play that more on the bass strings. And now it's a little bit tough to separate them with this D minor, for instance, since you only have 4 strings incorporated there. But yeah, try to get bass, and then the rest you do down on the higher notes, the top strings down here. So bass, top, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Okay, that's the rhythm. Let's go with the verse play. You're gonna play D minor 1 string around, A sharp 1 string around, and F 2 string rounds. Okay, that piece of 3 chord you're gonna play for 3 rounds, and then you continue with G minor for 2 string rounds, and then you just land on the A sharp and play 1 down with a pause. And that pause builds up for the chorus, and that is the verse play. All right, so D minor 1, A sharp 1, F 2. Play that for 3 rounds, then G minor 2 rounds, and 1 down on A sharp. That is the verse play, but also the outro part later when the song ends. But let's do 1 round of this together, starting with D minor. Second round. Third. G minor. And A sharp. 1 down and a pause. That's the verse play. Over to chorus. And you're gonna play now D minor 2 string rounds, A sharp 2 string rounds, F 2 string rounds, and C 2 string rounds. That 4 chords you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So D minor, A sharp, F, and C 2 string rounds per chord for 2 full chord progression rounds. And then you end with the A sharp 2 string rounds and the pause. And that pause marks out the end and the starting of a new round there with verse and so on. So let's do this together, starting with D minor. Second round. And A sharp. And that is the chorus. And there you have ingredients here, the verse play and the chorus play to handle X Ambassadors Fallout, a great guitar song. If you want to practice some mix of bar chords and easy chords and with a very common string pattern, that's a good choice. So give it a try, play tuned.